Hello and welcome to Powerful PowerPoint. In this session, I'll be covering inserting screenshots. Now, screenshots is one of the things that we are generally familiar with in inserting. You take your screenshot, you paste it from Snipping Tool, simple, easy, straightforward. But you can also insert screenshots from within PowerPoint themselves. So you could just do this, for example, Windows Shift S, select what I want to have screenshotted, go to my slide and paste it in, and ta-da! But you can also insert stuff straight in to PowerPoint. Now, if we go to the Insert tab, between Pictures and Photo Album, you'll see Screenshot. And here you can then select the windows you want to have the screenshots added in of. So, for example, this is a screenshot of the Notepad app. Say I wanted a screenshot of one of my sticky notes that I have open. Here you go, it's inserted that as well. And then you can add all the screenshots you need of the windows you have open. Let's say I just wanted to have this part of the screenshot selected. You can right click and still click crop to get the part of it you wanted. So let's say I just wanted this part of the screenshot. Once you're happy with that, just let go of the crop and click outside of it, and it will just crop to that size for you. Stay tuned for more powerful PowerPoint.